really good team. Me personally, I love playing against great teams because you get to see where you are and what you need to work on and things you can get better with. And I think that Valencia is going to be a great challenge for us. Valencia is one of the top tier teams always in this league. You know, we're still fairly new. This is only our second year in first division, but I feel like we have a lot of veteran players that have the experience against teams like this. So I feel like this is going to be a great test to see where we are and where we need to go.